Okay, this one is black pepper. Black pepper. Just put it in, put it in, put it in, put it in, put it in. I think it's good enough right there. And one more right here is garlic powder. You put it in, put it in. And this one is soy sauce. Put it in, put it in, put it in. This one we make chicken soup. This was chicken soup right here, see? Yeah. That's chicken soup. Really soon we're gonna eat. We put sauce and MSG, 1 spoon, half spoon, and sugar half spoon, and sauce half spoon, and soy sauce. I put soy sauce already, yeah, and soy sauce probably like maybe spoon, 2 spoons soy sauce, and make sure they cook at least for 10 minutes. And I gotta put a mushroom now. Wait 1 more minute. I put mushroom right here, right there, the mushroom. And I gotta take the water out first. Soak in the water, make sure they're clean. Take the water out. The water's out now. And put mushroom in here. Some salt. Mushroom. Salt. We need chicken sauce today. We have mushroom, we have big head onion, and we have black pepper, and we have garlic powder right there. That's good, huh? So 10-15 minutes and turn it off and ready to put in the soup. There. Looking good, huh? Make sure they boil. And put higher. We 10:05 we be done. 10:05. 10 minutes more, okay, look. This one. Okay. Ooh. Because stir-fried chicken, onion and mushroom. But we put in the soup, way. You put in bread. ใส่ข้าวจี้พี่น้องอันนี้สิขั่วกับห้องไก่ขั่วไก่ใส่เห็ดอันแซนด์วิชเนาะเห็ดข้าวจี้ไก่มันมาไก่ตัวนี้แล้วก็ได้กินมาI want to put onion in a little bit, okay? I'll put tomato. Tomato a little bit. Let me try tomato. They have it. Right here. I want tomato right here. Tomato. The whole thing. Look good. Let's slice tomato on it. First knife, okay? Like tomato. Tomato right there. Slide it in. When it's soft, then you put it in Subway. a lot of water, huh? Wow. What is saying? I'm from my guy. The night to left. They're more done. They're more done. Then we put this in Subway. Then we put some sauce on it. And we eat it. How many minutes now? 6. 10 minutes more. 10 minutes. 4 more minutes. Look at that. I'm all done. Let me see. They are more done. 1 more minute. I gotta taste. Make sure they cook a little bit. Till 10 o'clock. 2 more minutes. Oh, more cook. You got first thing you do. You got clean chicken with warm water, cold water, whatever. Then you guys chop them up. Chop them, slice them. Chop them. And you clean them again. Then you put in the pan right here. Put in the pan right here. Then you put chopped onion head right there. Put it in. And chopped mushroom. And chopped tomato. And what you put it in? You put half spoon salt, half spoon MSG, half spoon sugar, then soy sauce, then black pepper, then garlic powder. So these are all done. That's it. Probably soy sauce, not that much. Soy sauce probably about maybe probably 2 spoons, 2 or 3 spoons, somewhere. Maybe 2 spoons. You know. Now I gotta taste them now. Let me see how it tastes. That's good though. I'm kind of playing a little bit. Put the little soy sauce in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. About that much. It's good. A little bit more. I'm kind of plain. Okay, done. And stir left to right. Stir from side with fork. Okay. Left to right. The tomato is all soft. Okay. Milk. Spit it out. More done. Subway. More. And then stop it. Keep going. The tomato is all soft, I think. Good. Like that. More done. More done. After this, let me put in the bread. Some bread. Put in bread, then we eat it. See? See. Take it again. That's good now. That's good. Okay, I'm all done. Oh yeah, I'm all done. Now next time gonna be look at Lao Song and cooking again, okay? Thank you really much for watching. Thank you. 10 minutes.